Good day. Thank you for joining us for today's fire weather briefing for Thursday, August 1st. I'm Alex Lukenbiel, a meteorologist for the National Weather Service in Missoula. Let's begin by taking a look at the weather threat matrix we're expecting to see through Tuesday, August 6th. Our primary concern is going to be for Friday, August 2nd. Across northwest Montana, a dry cold front will push through the area in the afternoon hours, bringing a combination of hot, dry, westerly winds, which will be quite gusty. Sustained winds anywhere from 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to 30, 35 miles an hour. So we've highlighted zones 104 and 105 and high. A little further to the south, we're going to be seeing a situation with scattered dry thunderstorms, potentially producing gusty outflow winds, particularly across southwest Montana zones 1010 and 111. Some of those outflow winds could be as high as 50 miles an hour. For the west central Montana zones 108 and 109, we're going to be seeing a similar situation, scattered dry thunderstorms, gusty outflow winds, as well as the dry cold front will start pushing through your area later in the afternoon, so we'll see an uptick in those breezy westerly winds. So those areas are highlighted in high. In the north central Idaho area, the eastern sections of the Clearwater-Nez Perce National Forest, we've highlighted you in moderate risk for wind and lightning as well. There's potential for a few thunderstorms on those eastern areas of that national forest along the kind of the western portion of the Bitterroot Divide. So let's transition here, and we can take a look at a model simulated radar reflectivity for Friday, just to give you an idea of the timing and evolution of these dry thunderstorms. Keep in mind that these reflectivity values don't necessarily correlate with precipitation, as a lot of these storms are going to have elevated precipitation cores, and as the rain falls it's going to evaporate, and we're not expecting a whole lot of precipitation with these storms. So let's begin here at 2 p.m. Friday. As we go through time, you'll see the thunderstorms begin to spread across northwest. The thunderstorms begin to spread across southwest Montana by 3 p.m. And then as we go into the late afternoon to early evening hours, we see these thunderstorms move northward into portions of the Lolo National Forest. And then later in the evening, a few thunderstorms continue to kind of ride northward. So, we're really going to be looking at a period of thunderstorm activity from around 2 p.m. through just before midnight across southwest Montana and west central Montana. Let's transition and look at the weekend through early next week. We're still going to be dealing with a high pressure center over the Four Corners. That will put Montana and the Northern Rockies in a warm and hot southwesterly flow. As we step through the weekend into early next week, there's not a whole lot of change with the pattern. We're still seeing that Four Corners high southwesterly flow, generally above average temperatures. We'll see a kind of a downtick in moisture availability in the atmosphere through early next week. So we're primarily only going to be concerned about southwest Montana, and we'll just kind of see isolated chances of thunderstorm activity through early next week. Transitioning back to our slides here, taking a look at the Climate Prediction Center 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. We're going to be seeing near normal temperatures in the extent, and maybe slightly above average temperatures across southwest Montana and north central Idaho. As far as precipitation goes, it looks like we have some chances for some above normal precipitation August 6th to the 10th. So with that kind of pattern, we're probably looking at increased chances of showers and thunderstorms. Thank you for joining us for today's fire weather briefing. The next scheduled briefing is Sunday, August 4th. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the office. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.